If you are seeing the error in message stream in ChatGPT on an Android or iPhone, then here is a set of reliable troubleshooting steps. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and test again. If other apps and web pages are slow, fix your network first. Once you do so, go back and simply restart the app. Open this ChatGPT app and then close the ChatGPT app completely, then reopen it. On mobile, you can also try logging out and back in if needed. After that, open the App Store for the iPhone and Google Play Store for the Android, and in search address bar, simply type down the ChatGPT and search. Then you can see the update option available there. Tap on the update and wait for a while for the update to be completed. And if you have ruled out your network app device and the error keeps happening, the issue may be on OpenAI side, server load internal bug. So in that case, waiting and retrying later is often the only option. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.